Welcome to Homeschool for American Adults. Hi, I'm Donna Marie. Today's lesson is about how to write an opinion paragraph. In this lesson, you will learn how to write an opinion. An opinion tells what you think or feel about something. What is an opinion? An opinion is what you think or feel. It is not always a fact. You may say, I think dogs are the best pets. Someone else might say, I think cats are better. That's okay. What's in an opinion paragraph? Your opinion, what you think, and one reason why. An opinion paragraph has two parts, your opinion and a reason. Let's look at this example. A person may write, I think pizza is the best food. In that sentence, the person is sharing an opinion. In the next sentence, we will learn why the person thinks that the pizza is the best food. Why? It tastes so good and has cheese. How to start an opinion sentence. When you write your opinion, start with words like I think, I believe, I feel that. This shows you are sharing your thoughts. How to give a reason. To tell your reason, use words like because, it is, or it has. Let's try reading the example. Ready? Let us begin. I think summer is fun because I can go swimming. Let's read this opinion paragraph. I think reading is fun. It takes me to new places in my mind. What does the writer think? Let's find the opinion and the reason. The first sentence states her opinion. I think reading is fun. The second sentence states her reasoning. It takes me to new places in my mind. Now it's your turn. Match each opinion with the reason that fits best. I will read the opinions and the reasons. I think apples are great. I believe dogs are smart. I feel that rain is nice. Why? Because they can learn tricks, because it helps the flowers grow, because they are sweet and crunchy. Draw a line or match the opinion to the correct reason. Please pause the video to work at your own pace. The answer key will follow. The answer key. I will read the opinion and the reason that follows. I think apples are great because they are sweet and crunchy. I believe dogs are smart because they can learn tricks. I feel that rain is nice because it helps the flowers grow. Now it's your turn. Write about your favorite season. Use one opinion, sentence, and one reason. Answer the questions. What is your favorite season and why? Example answer. I think spring is the best season. It has flowers and warm weather. Here we have spring, summer, fall, and winter. Please pause the video to work at your own pace. Let's practice again. Here's one more. What food do you love? Say what you think and tell why. An example answer will follow. The example answer. I think spaghetti is the best food. It tastes good and fills me up. Let's review. You now know how to write an opinion paragraph. You can share your thoughts and give a reason clearly. Practice makes you stronger. You can keep learning by writing your opinion each day. Pick something simple, your favorite fruit or movie. Just say what you think and tell why. Congratulations, you made it to the end of lesson 22. Now I have an assignment for you to do. Your assignment is to take a few minutes every day to review the lesson. If you find it difficult to do any part of this lesson, remember, you can always rewind this video and practice again. Never move on to the next lesson until you can complete this lesson with ease. When you can complete this lesson with ease, you are ready to move on to the next lesson. See you there. Now, we have reached the end of this session, but before you go, please, if you've experienced the joy of learning this interactive lesson, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you will know when a new lesson is uploaded. Thank you for joining me today. It was a pleasure teaching you. Bye-bye.